Welcome. Subscribe Qasim Malik channel and click on bell icon to see the latest videos on my channel.
Hi guys, my name is Qasim Malik. Today I show you this Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus titanium gray color. In this video you see the clearly all three colors. I'll show you one by one. And comment below what is your favorite color. It is so beautiful color. The Samsung changed the fingerprint scanner place. You can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is a lilac purple. I like it. It is very beautiful color. Everyone want this color and everyone buy this color. This color also short in market. And the best color is king of the market, the midnight black color. This is so beautiful and look very premium. But it is all everyone by Lilac Purple and me also. Comment below what is your favorite color and don't forget to subscribe my channel. In this video you can see all three colors clearly. Now you can choose your favorite color. I chose Lilac Purple. What you choose? Okay guys, goodbye. If you want to see the unboxing of S9 and S9 Plus, please visit my channel. Okay guys, if you have any question you can comment. I will answer you. See you soon in next video. Don't forget to like this video. The next video will upload it soon. See my last videos left and right, and don't forget to subscribe.